Hey guys, it's Nina here. Today I'll be showing you what's inside my travel bag. So whenever I travel, I always use a backpack. I feel like I can put everything in there and it's easy to carry because I used to carry 2 handbags at a time when I was traveling, and then I discovered backpack. This is the one that I have. This is from MCM. This is the tricolor one. I used the white one when I traveled to Japan, so now I'm using this one to Nepal. Yeah, it's an awesome bag. Let's get inside the bag. Of course, passport. You can never forget your passport. Very important. Next is my skincare pouch. Okay, I have my makeup remover because when I go to the airport, I usually have a little bit of makeup on. So as soon as I'm on board, this is the first thing I do. I remove my makeup. So I have my cotton as well. And then because I wear contact lenses when I go to the airport, I have my contact lenses case, contact lenses solution. I have my lubricant eye drops. And then of course, I have my toothpaste. My toothbrush is this one. I usually, you know, the free ones you get from the hotels, I usually collect them so that when I travel, I get to use them and then throw them away. So that's a tip for you. And then I usually have a mini moisturizer, but if I don't, then I have my mask. So I put this on during the flight. Yes, everybody looks at you when you have this on, but you know, who cares? Everybody's sleeping. These are my skincare for my flight. All that in this pouch right here. I also have my makeup kit because when you land, you want to look presentable. This is just for, you know, retouch. I have my powder, my mini brush, very important, concealer for those dark circles. And then I have my brow set, brow duo. Eyeliner, I usually skip this, but if I need to, it's here. It's the mini tattoo liner. So it's good that makeup brands actually come out with this travel size makeup because it is needed. I have my eyelash curler. This is from Tarte. I find this better than the Yushimura one. Again, this is optional. Sometimes I have it, sometimes I don't. The important thing is your brows. And then I have a tint for your lips and your cheeks. This one. Oh, I have a mirror. And then of course I have my lipstick. So this is from this one, Sunny's. I love Sunny's lipsticks. This one is in Major. So this is my mini makeup kit. This one is from Sunny's Face. Very cute. Perfume, make sure it's 100 ml or less. So it is less. So I have the Jo Malone one. Refreshing. Next is sunglasses, and big ones. If I know I'm landing in the morning or in the afternoon, I have to make sure I have sunglasses with me. If I have my sunglasses, I don't really put a lot of eye makeup anymore. I skip the eyeliner, like I said, concealer just a little bit, and then yeah, so just big sunglasses would help you a lot. What else? Of course, I have my vlogging camera, my G7X, and also I have one more camera. It fits in here, I promise you. It's the A6500, so that goes in here too, and a DJI Pocket. I don't have it right now, but it's very small, so it's usually here in front. So I can easily take it out. I have to have those equipment, right? What else is in my bag? Oh, of course, wallet, very important. I have a big one because yeah, a small one doesn't work for me. So yeah, make sure you have your dollars in there. Yeah, and everything I need inside my wallet is there. And then any documents that I need. Hotel booking is usually on my phone. Any kind of ticket that I'll need, it's gonna be in here as well. So those are the things that are inside my travel bag. My other camera will be here. And then I would usually buy snacks in the airport, so that's gonna go inside here too. Bye-bye!